My name is Steve Young. I am here at Indian Rock Dam. I am the head dam operator. Annually, we pull one of our floodgates for maintenance and service and inspection. So we pull a gate up on the floor, dismantle the gate, we inspect it, we clean it, we sand it, we replace bolts that need replaced, and we repack the rollers on it. The process for pulling our gates it's pretty much an all-day process. So it takes us pretty much the better part of a day to get the gate up and on the floor. We usually have it up for about 2 weeks when we get the work done, and about the third week we'll drop it back in. It's important because we want to maintain the infrastructure of Indian Rock Dam. So when we need it, it's there, it operates as it should, as it was built, and it's good to keep the gates operational. You know, so they seal and they close, they operate, open, close when we want them to.